Hello and welcome to our channel. It's the weekend again, and we are excited to share with you 25 weekend blessings to make this a happy and relaxing time. Take a long, hot bath with some soothing essential oils. One of the most relaxing things you can do for yourself on the weekend is take a long, hot bath with some soothing essential oils. Not only does it help to relieve stress and tension in your body, but it also promotes better sleep and can even help to improve your mood. When deciding which essential oils to use, lavender and chamomile are both good choices because they are known to make people feel calm. To make the most of your bath time, dim the lights and light some candles to create a calm atmosphere. Play some soft music, grab a book or magazine if you'd like, and soak in the tub for at least 20 to 30 minutes. You could even add Epsom salts or bubble bath to make it even more luxurious. Self-care is important for both your physical and mental health, so it's important to take time out of your busy schedule to do it. One way to treat yourself this weekend is to take a long bath with soothing essential oils. Try it and see how much better you feel afterward. Go for a nature walk and breathe in the fresh air. One of the best ways to relax and connect with the natural world around you is to go for a walk in the woods. As you take in fresh air, it can help clear your mind and make you feel less stressed. It's also a chance to get some exercise and do something physical while seeing and hearing new things. Nature walks are a great way to see how beautiful our world is, from the bright flowers to the tall trees, birds singing, and babbling brooks. Stop for a moment and look at the things around you as you walk. You might be surprised by how much peace this can bring. If you're feeling too busy or stressed, taking a break to go for a walk in nature could be just what you need to re-energize. Remember that it doesn't have to be a hard walk. Even a simple walk through a local park or forest preserve can help your mental health and give your body the exercise it needs. Cook a delicious meal for yourself or with loved ones. Since the weekend is coming up, it's time to relax and take a break from the usual schedule. One of the best ways to enjoy this time is to cook a delicious meal for yourself or with people you care about. It not only brings people together but also helps you get better at cooking. Cooking can be relaxing and enjoyable at the same time. You can play around with different flavors and ingredients to make something unique that you like. There's always something new to learn in the kitchen, whether you like simple recipes or fancy ones. So why not make plans and do something fun this weekend? Get together with some friends or family, pick a recipe that everyone likes, put on some music, and have fun cooking your meal together. And when everything is ready, sit down at the table, savor every bite, and enjoy each other's company. Call a friend you haven't talked to in a while and catch up. Call that friend you haven't talked to in a while. It's always nice to see an old friend, and you never know what good things might happen as a result. Reconnecting with friends is a great way to relax and unwind on the weekend, whether you talk about old times or share news about what's going on in the world. Talking to someone who knows you well can help you feel less stressed because they may be able to give you a different point of view on what's going on in your life. A simple phone call can turn into an hour-long chat that makes both people feel closer to each other and more energized. Even if you don't have a lot of free time this weekend, try to find a few minutes to talk. It's easy to lose touch with people we care about in today's busy world. So go ahead and call someone and catch up this weekend to make their day. You never know how much happiness it could bring to both of your lives. What's your favorite movie or TV show? On the weekends, watching your favorite movie or TV show can be a great way to relax and unwind. No matter if you like comedy, drama, or action, you can always find something to watch that you like. You can get comfortable on the couch with some popcorn and get lost in the story. You can also watch your favorite show with friends. You can have fun with your friends while binge watching by inviting them over. You can also join online fan groups and talk about the latest episodes with people who like the same things you do. No matter how you watch your favorite movies or TV shows, just remember that it's okay to give in to some guilty pleasures sometimes. So take it easy this weekend, and enjoy some good entertainment. Read a book that you've been wanting to read for a while. 1. A great way to unwind and relax on the weekend is to read a book that has been on your list for a while. Reading is known to reduce stress and improve mental health, whether it's a classic novel, an inspiring memoir, or a suspenseful thriller. 2. Reading is a much better way to spend time than scrolling through social media or watching a lot of TV at once. Not only does it help you concentrate and pay attention, but it can also help you learn new things and increase your vocabulary. So, this weekend, why not take care of yourself by finally reading that book you've been meaning to read? Get a warm drink and a cozy blanket, and lose yourself in a great story. You'll be glad you did it later. Take a nap or get some extra rest. On the weekend, taking a nap or getting some extra rest is one of the best things you can do for yourself. Many people don't realize how important it is to get enough sleep, but it's essential for keeping your body and mind healthy. Whether you're stressed out at work or just tired from your normal routine, taking a nap or getting a little extra rest can help you feel better. If you have trouble falling asleep during the day, there are many things you can do to help you feel more relaxed. For instance, doing deep breathing exercises or meditating can help you calm your mind and get ready for sleep. You could also make your bedroom a more relaxing place by turning off all electronics and using scents like lavender or chamomile. Overall, one of the best things you can do for your health is to take care of yourself by putting rest first. If you give yourself permission to slow down and relax on the weekends, you'll be ready to handle whatever challenges come your way during the coming week. Listen to your favorite music, and dance around your house. One of the best ways to unwind on the weekend is to put on your favorite music and dance around your house. Not only does it help you burn calories, but it also makes you feel happier by releasing endorphins. So turn up the volume, put on your favorite music, and let loose. Dancing is a great way to relieve stress and anxiety because it helps you let go of negative feelings in a healthy way. It's also a great way to get exercise that can improve your heart health, tone your muscles, and make you more flexible. Also, when you dance around at home, you don't have to worry about feeling self-conscious or being judged by other people. So why not make it a thing you do every weekend? Set aside some time each week to listen to music and dance around your house. Whether you do it first thing in the morning or late at night, this simple activity can help you feel happier and less stressed.